And here they've planted something quite recently. Oh, hi folks! Wait, there is a lot of Castanopsis. I think those are not gardeners. I think those are people harvesting Castanopsis. Let's go and meet them. Oh yeah, see the parang? They are totally harvesting Castanopsis from this beautiful huge tree here. And they have already beaten down all the fruits from the lower branches. Well, on the higher branches, see? The higher branches, they are still huge clusters. Hi bang! Ini apa? Buah berangan? Buah snintan. So here they call this buah snintan. Ah. Ah?
Berduri-durinya bisa
ya, duri banyak.
ya, mengakibatkan ini.
Ah.
Bengkak.
Ini makan rebus, makan bakar?
Iya, gitu. Ini seperti ini.
Ah.
Cuman ini masih belum matang, belum
Tidak
tua.
makan
Ininya nih, dalamnya.
Huh?
Dalam ininya nih.
Ya. But makan rebus ya?
Ya, direbus.
Makan goreng, makan bakar.
Nah, tapi masih muda,
Makan ini?
Ya.
Ini kecil-kecil.
Kecil.
Oh, tidak makan itu besar.
Masih muda.
Hah?
Masih muda. Kalau
Masih
yang
muda?
Ya.
Ini tidak muda?
tidak muda. Ini jatuh sama angin.
This is not young, so they are eating only... Oh, terima kasih.
Manis, rasanya agak-agak manis.
They are eating only the embryo and not the cotyledons. Yeah. Mantap. It's a lot softer
Yes.
than a chestnut.
Yes.
Oh, chopsticks. Yeah. Great invention. But so much work for such a small piece. I don't know what Castanopsis species this is. It is really thick. I think all this thing is almost 2 meters thick. And it seems if you want to eat the whole thing, you have to heat it first. But you are able to eat the small embryo. Boleh video di sini? Makasih. Oh, wait, those are mushrooms. I thought those are chestnuts, but no. Those people have collected mushrooms. Mushrooms of different species. Oh, terima kasih.
Nah, ini mushroom nih.
Oh.
Jamur ini kebit jamur. Yes, ini jamur.
Jamur, nama jamur.
Iya.
This seems to be some relative of Judas here. Oh, those are considerably bigger. Oh, bagus.
Dimasak ini.
Yeah, ini dimasak. You have to cook them first. This is not the Judas here we know in Europe. That type of Judas here also grows here. This is a different, I think, Judas here relative. Oh, nice, folks. Terima kasih. Very interesting. Oh, this one just sat on a spiny chestnut. Happened so many times to me where I corrected them. Wah. Duri banyak. Wah. Oh, look at those beauties. Well, it's good that the botanic garden... Huh? Rambutan. Ini tidak rambutan, ini durian.
Ini rambutan hutan.
Rambutan hutan, bukan. Ini tidak manis. Terima kasih, folks. Hati-hati. Thank you so much. They taught me a lot of things. In some of those Castanopsis, you can eat the embryo raw. Well, let's see how my bowels react. Because like 10 days ago about a week ago I made this video where I was eating another Castanopsis and I had boiled it for hours. But what's not in the video is my, no kidding folks, 40 visits to the toilet in that night. So beware of Castanopsis.